Picture yourself in the 2020 Toyota Tundra. With less than 35,000 miles on this hard-working Tundra offers impressive towing and hauling capability, a smooth, comfortable ride, desirable standard safety and infotainment features, and competitive fuel efficiency. Prepare to fall in love. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Relax and enjoy the adventure in this can-do Tundra. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.